Hi again. I'm going to do a quick little video here. I was asked on Twitter to show what the utilities looks like and how it looks to connect to a wireless network. So I'm just going to make a quick video showing that for you. If anybody has any further questions, you can get me at Paintball Dan on it's PNTBLDAN on Twitter. Feel free to ask whatever you want. I'd be happy to look into anything on here for you and make a quick little video so you can see what it looks like. All right. All right. So we're going to take a look at the settings here. When you fire it up, just so you can see, I mean, it is a Chrome browser. I've got a few things pinned in the tab there, or a few tabs pinned up there. So those automatically start up. When you open up a new tab, it gives you your apps, so to speak. They're web apps, and on your standard computer, they feel a little worthless considering they're just links to websites. But on here, having them in here as an app, at least in my opinion, makes them feel a little bit more. They feel more like apps when you do it that way, as opposed to having just type in a URL. But anyway, so if we look up here in the corner, you've got your standard, your battery display, your Wi-Fi strength, which sucks right now for some reason. Extensions, everything works just like your regular Chrome browser. This is a little different. You've got bugs, so that you can just give feedback to Google on this. My understanding is that these type of computers won't be available until next year from Asus and God, I can't even remember who the other one is. To show the settings, we'll just go into the wrench here. It's just like your average everyday Chrome. The settings here. Alright, and here are the system settings. If you look down the left side, it gives you what options we've got. So, system, internet, basics, personal stuff, under the hood, and users. Under system, you have pretty basic stuff. Date and time, touchpad, sensitivity, that kind of thing. Accessibility. Under, find the mouse here. Internet was the one that was specifically asked about, showing it connecting to a Wi-Fi signal. So what I'm going to do is disconnect from that one. Actually going to forget the network. And then I'm going to say connect. So it just pops up with this little screen here. I'm going to set this down while I type my password. And while you were away, absolutely nothing happened. It just went back to there. And if we take a look up here, you can see the signal kind of flashes for a little bit until you type your password in wrong. So we get some flash in there for a little bit. It says connecting the network at some point here. I did have some connection troubles with this the other day, so I wonder if maybe when it forgets the network, it's having some issues. I might have to disable Wi-Fi and then re-enable it. So let's try that. So I just had to cycle the Wi-Fi there for some reason. I mean, that occasionally happens on my MacBook too, so I'm not hugely annoyed by it. It's kind of weird. So I guess it's something I'll just have to play around with, see if there's a reason for it. But that is the basics of the internet. Cellular is you get 100 megabytes a month free for 2 years from Verizon Wireless. Let's go to basics. And you can set up what your home page is, what your default search engine is. Yahoo, Bing, if you don't like, for whatever reason you don't like Google. The personal stuff one has my email on there, so I'm not going to show that one. under the hood gives you just, privacy settings, some deeper network settings. In 1 second here. Just want to make sure there's nothing from my network on there. Pretty standard stuff there, I believe. Let's see, personal stuff under the hood we've looked at. Users has my email on it, but you can add usernames. So that about covers it, I think. So if you've got any other questions about the settings or anything, just let me know. I'll try and do a better job in the next video. So thanks for watching.